So what's going on, guys? Today it's all about the jump rope. It's been a while since I've done a tutorial on the jump rope, but this is the day. So we're going to start off with the height of the jump rope. It should come about chest height. This was a little bit high for me, but I'll make it work. This is called heavy hands. They're a little bit heavier than the usual, but it gives you a little bit more exertion. This jump rope also has a counter, and you're going to need a counter if you're going to be starting off. It can let you know basically how many reps you're doing, because I'm going to have you doing a certain number of reps for each movement. So when you start off with the jump rope, you're going to start with very easily, low impact. You notice that I'm barely clearing the ground. So once you start practicing that to where you can barely clear the ground, that's going to take a while for you to master, because the tendency when you jump rope is to jump high. That's too much impact. You want to start with very low impact. That keeps minimal stress on the joints. So once you get the low impact down, you go to your first movement. It's called the single under. You just one jump. With each jump, one rotation. That's it. And you're gonna get to where you can do 20 repetitions. Okay, I've done 25 that fast. When you can do 20 uninterrupted repetitions, then you're able to get to your next step, which is going to be the boxer step. Okay, but get to where you can master 20 uninterrupted repetitions where you're not stopping. That's going to take you a while, because you'll do 5 and stop. You'll keep messing up, but that's going to help you to endure and also give you more agility and coordination with the jump rope. All right, so we did the single under. Now I'm going to go to boxer step. You're just going to shuffle side to side. It's just a little back and forth shuffle. You'll see boxers doing this a lot. A great exercise. Again, all this is about coordination, agility, and endurance. So once you got the boxer step down, I'm gonna tell you, jump rope gives you the cardiovascular, twice the cardiovascular effect of a treadmill or maybe jogging. Because it involves so many more muscles and so much more coordination, it'll really tire you out. 20 minutes of jump rope is like an hour of other activities for aerobic work. Okay, once you got the boxer step down, you can go to step number 3. Step number 3, that's where we're just gonna run in place. And you can bring those knees up high. All right, so once you finish that, we're gonna go to something a little bit more difficult, a little bit more challenging, but once you work through those 3, you're gonna find that it's starting to really wind you. All right, let's move on. All right, the next move is the skier. And this just, again, variations. Nothing is more difficult than the other. It's just different effects it has on the body, different coordination movements. The skier is just side by side, just as when you're skiing. And again, that's again agility. You talk about developing agility and coordination with these movements. All right, from the skier, we're gonna go to the jumping jacks. All right, the truth is, guys, the only way you're gonna get better at the jump rope is the jump rope. And you're gonna start with something like this. You may start with 50 repetitions or 50 jumps the first day. And you may do maybe just a single under. And when you can do 20 repetitions without fail, then go to your next exercise, which is the boxer step, and just keep progressing from there. But the idea is to have variations there and just have fun. And you know, it's a great exercise. It improves coordination, agility, strength, endurance, and I think it's great. So work it. Whatever you do the rest of the day, guys, make it awesome. See ya. Bye. As you can see, I fluff it a little bit too. Oh well. Make it awesome, guys. See ya. Bye.